Mechanism of enzyme action. In lock and key hypothesis or theorem, the substrate fits exactly into a small portion of enzymes called an active site. The substrate is often called key, whereby the shape whose complements exactly the enzymes called a lock. Now let us see this example. This one is acting as enzyme and this one is active site, and this one is a substrate, and this is the place where it's going to bind to enzyme in the active site here. You may see the shape of this substrate is the same as the shape of the active site, exactly the same. And this is all about the theorem of lock and key hypothesis. This means that because the shape of this substrate is the same as the shape of the active site, it may bind to form enzyme complex. Let us see. So this go and bind like this. Exactly, they fit the active site. Exactly. However, if the active site and the enzymes are different, this is active site and this is a substrate structure of the substrate. You may see this structure of substrate is different from that of the active site in an enzyme. So generally, this means that this substrate will never bind to the active site of an enzyme. So means no reaction will occur from this reaction. Let us see. Now we see the active site will not bind with the substrate. So this is all about the lock and key theorem. This tells us that the substrate structure must be exactly at this active site. No any adjustment of either a substrate or an active site. This is different in the induced-fit hypothesis. In induced-fit theorem, the bond between the amino acid in the active site, this one, of enzymes are flexible, so means may change their shape. And why they are changing their shape? They are changed of the shape in order to fit the structure of the substrate. So there is an adjustment in the induced-fit hypothesis, which is coming later to correct or to add some notes in the lock and key theorem. Let us see how it occurs. Assume this is our this is enzyme. This is enzymes, and this is our active site. If so, assume this is our substrate. You may see the structure of a substrate. This one is not the same as this one. And by the way, this substrate need to bind here, to bind completely so as they can make a reaction. So this one, it is not possible in case of lock and key theorem. But in induced-fit hypothesis or theorem, these substrates may bind. After binding, the agent itself will see that this one is not complete to bind well, so as itself adjusts so as to fit the substrate structure. Let us see. Now, you may see the substrates come and bind an enzyme, but still there is a certain gap here which is not covered well. This means that do not fit exactly. Interaction will not occur. But in induced-fit hypothesis, an enzyme muled itself or changed itself so as to fit the structure of the substrates. You may see. Now, the enzymes mold itself to follow the structure of this one known as a substrate. This means that in induced-fit hypothesis, and enzymes are flexible and they can change their shape so as to fit the structure of a substrate. That is all about induced-fit hypothesis compared to the lock and key theory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share so as to be the first to get videos and other material. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.